Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. So sit tight and watch the whole video to find out what I've ordered this time around. So I'm gonna use my trusty knife, which is also from AliExpress. If you've watched some of my videos, you can probably guess what these are, because in one of my videos, maybe it's 3 videos or maybe 5 or 4 videos back, I've unboxed something that came in this kind of package, exactly the same kind of package, but this time I have 2 of these. We're gonna start with one of them. I already know what's inside, but I'm not gonna spoil anything for you so let's just get cutting to see what's inside here. And if you know what's inside, please drop a comment below before continuing to watch the video. It should be easy to guess if you watched some of my previous videos. Ta-da! So this is just another solar Wi-Fi. So this is just another solar Wi-Fi repeater. I've already unboxed one of these. I bought some more. It's pretty straightforward. We have the arm for screwing the thing on the wall. We have the screws. Straightforward. There's no much. Oh, this thing is actually a little bit heavy. Even the first time I unboxed this, the other package, I was surprised how heavy it was. The user manual and the user manual is in English. And only English. The user manual is in English, so if you don't speak English, Google Translate to your language. But it should be straightforward to use. But I think you're gonna need to translate it to set it up. So this is the solar panel. That's the solar panel, and at the back here, you're gonna mount the arm somewhere. I think it's probably here you're gonna mount it, because it has to be like this, facing the sun. This flap here is where you... Let's use a knife instead. Alright, you have to be careful with it so this thing doesn't go off. But in here you have a place where you can put this same, you can charge it. So the thing with these things, right, it says SIM here, so this is probably the 4G one. Yes, it says also 4G here, because I ordered 2. I ordered the solar repeater and the 4G modem. So there's a Wi-Fi repeater and there's a 4G modem. And if you're wondering why I'm ordering this, it's because we're gonna set cameras outside, Wi-Fi cameras, solar Wi-Fi cameras. So to be able to have access to cameras and stuff like that, instead of having wires run around, we opted to buy solar cameras. Now we have a solar driven 4G router. So that's the first box, but it's exactly the same in the other box, but I'm gonna unbox it anyway, because this one says 4G on it, says 4G, and the other one, let's see what it says. So let's just push this one away and let's cut this one open as well. And of course, let's be a little bit careful here so we don't damage the packings, in case we have to send it back because it doesn't work, right? All right. So I'm not sure how well this works, but just by the share of how heavy the thing is, I think the batteries that's inside is quite big. I don't remember the specs, but it's still low powered, so it doesn't use a lot of power, guessing, and it has a huge battery. But as always with these solar things, when you set them up, it's a good idea to charge the battery, so the battery is fully charged before you set it up. And then when the battery is fully charged and you set it up, then the solar panel is just gonna top it up every time, because the thing's gonna work at night as well, right? So probably it can work 48 hours, but then during the day 12 hours the sun, and then at night the thing's gonna use half of its charge, and the next day it's gonna get topped up by the solar panel. That way it's gonna keep working 24/7. I think that's how it's supposed to work, but of course I cannot say that with certainty because I haven't tested it. So this is the second one. So this one said, alright, so that one said 4G, and this one says Wi-Fi repeater. So this is just the Wi-Fi repeater, and the other one is the 4G. I've already unboxed the Wi-Fi one, but I'm more interested in the 4G one. So let's find out if there's any juice in this one to start with. So we should get some light if there's any juice inside. There is juice inside. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to set it up just to quickly use it to see how it works, just quickly. So I'm gonna quickly set it up, but it's not gonna be a review, it's just gonna be a quick setup. Alright, so I'm ready to quickly set it up. I got the SIM 2 remover because I'm gonna pop the SIM from my Pixel 8 Pro. That's the SIM we're gonna use. Hopefully this thing takes an nano SIM, because if it doesn't, then we're gonna have a problem. So it's the same, but is it a micro or nano SIM? I have no idea. Oh, okay, let's quickly check this manual. What does it say? SIM card slot, SIM card slot. Yeah, SIM card slot. What kind of SIM card? Okay, let's put the SIM. SIM is going Oh wow, see me going it's going this way, so it's okay, so that way. Just need to push it so he clicks. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna narrate what happened while I was playing with the modem. So as you saw, I did put the SIM card inside the modem, and then I connected my phone to the modem, but I didn't have internet access. And what I did is I went into the settings and I entered a pin code. There was a pin code. I was supposed to enter a pin code for my SIM to be able to connect to the internet, but I was supposed to do that inside the modem and not my phone. So that's what I did, and then I got access to the internet. But before doing all that, because I did try it, and I couldn't get to the internet. I couldn't get internet, so I got a little bit frustrated. So it took a little bit sometimes to get internet access. Well, another thing I did, actually, the first thing I did before going through all that is I did change the login of the settings. So the username and the password of the settings, I changed it because it's ridiculous. Like 15 years ago, while if you bought a modem, it came with if you wanted to have access to that modem, the username was admin and the password was admin. Nowadays, if you buy a modem, the username is already made, is admin, obviously, but the password is a password that is different from the username. They don't make them like that anymore, where the username is admin, the password is admin. But somehow, if you buy modems, some modems, yeah, because it's not all the modems from China, but some of them, like the unknown brand or the cheaper brand, the username is gonna be admin and the password is gonna be admin. So the first thing you wanna do is to change those two things, because if you don't change them, somebody just is really easy to hack. Like if I connect to if I'm trying to get access to a modem, the first thing that comes to my mind if I want to hack it is password admin, username admin, because a lot of people don't change them. A lot of people don't change the password and the username that comes with the modem. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then, of course, you need to go into settings and find connection and all that, where you're gonna enter your pin code, the pin code of your SIM card for the thing to connect. So that's what happened. But I did manage to get connect the phone to the internet, and I also did take a speed test, and the speed test I did do a speed test, and the speed I did do a speed test, and the speed test was 15, 20, 15. So let's say 17, 18 megabit per second. Download and upload was 10 megabit per second, which is slow, but it's not bad. It's alright. It's good enough for connecting cameras and stuff like that around the compound. So that was a quick voiceover over what happened in the rest of the video. that's everything I had for this video. If you made it so far and you're still here, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you liked the video, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button, and remember to ring the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. And drop a comment below. If you don't know what to write, just drop a smiley below. Thumbs up, smiley face, angry face, whatever. Just drop a comment below so YouTube can recommend my video to more people. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.